So it's sprint planning time again. You've got 12 tasks, 1 hour, and 5 people saying this shouldn't take long. And then someone says, let's just call it a 3. And now you're 15 minutes in debating whether that bug fix is a 3 or an 8. If you've ever been in a meeting like that, you know the pain. Planning becomes guessing, and guessing leads to overcommitment, missed deadlines, and sprint retros where everyone's just tired. That's why story points exist. They're not perfect, but they're better than pulling random numbers out of thin air. And inside ClickUp, you can actually use them without making things more complicated. Let me show you how. So what are story points? In simple terms, story points are just a way to estimate how difficult a task is, not how long it takes. And that distinction matters because 2 tasks might take the same amount of time, but one could be full of unknowns or broken dependencies. So instead of asking how many hours, you ask how big is this compared to the stuff we've done before? It's not about time, it's about effort, risk, and complexity. Now, let's break that down. When you give story points to a task, you're really looking at 3 things. Effort. How much work is this going to take from start to finish? Risk. Are there unknowns, things that might block you? And complexity. Is this a straightforward task or one that could spiral? And honestly, that's it. You're not trying to be perfect. You're just getting a shared sense of how heavy the task feels, so your team doesn't walk into a sprint blind. Now, let's talk about how to actually do this in ClickUp. And don't worry, you don't need to set anything up from scratch. Step 1, start with the ClickUp Agile story template. It gives you a clean sprint board, backlogs, and a ready-to-go structure. Step 2, pick a task you all agree on. Call it a 3. This becomes your baseline. Everything else, you compare to that. Step 3, use a simple scale. Most teams use Fibonacci, 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 13. Remember, you're not assigning time, you're assigning size. And yep, ClickUp has a story points field you can add right inside the task view. Step 4, estimate together. Use planning poker if you want, or just talk it out. ClickUp makes this easy because you can brainstorm on whiteboards, comment, tag people, or drop the number straight into the task without switching tools. Step 5 is to track your points. In ClickUp Sprint View, you'll see the total story points your team is committing to. No mental math, no spreadsheets. Everything is right there on the board. For step 6, after the sprint, it's time to reflect. ClickUp's dashboard let you see what was planned versus what actually got done, so your estimates improve without having to guess. Now, before you jump into your first sprint with story points, a quick heads up. Most teams mess up one of these 3 ways. Number 1, they treat story points like time. This is a 3, so it should take about 3 hours. Nope, that defeats the entire point. I'll keep repeating this. Story points measure size, not time. 2, there's no team agreement. If one person estimates alone, you're not building shared understanding, you're just guessing. 3, they ignore risk and complexity. A task might look small, but if it's built on shaky ground, it's not a 1. But you can avoid all of this. Estimate together, look at effort, risk, and complexity, and track it all inside ClickUp. Start today by signing up for free at the link in the description.